Hi everyone, John here. Taking a quick look at Cardano on the daily chart, getting a small little pullback right here. The first thing that I do, I look for smaller pullbacks on the history of this chart. For example, we have a cluster of some pullbacks that are right around 43 cents, 44 cents. What I do, use my trend-based fib extension, claiming from that pivot high, pivot low, projecting it to this new recent high. One more time, pivot high, pivot low, projecting to this new recent high. One more time, pivot high, pivot low, projecting to this new recent high. As you can see, we have a cluster of price relationships that may provide for ADA going back up. Taking a closer look at Cardano, you can see price to get below this three price relationship, appears below it. So I'm looking for a deeper pullback, potential deeper pullback. Once again, I look at the history of this chart to find patterns that may repeat themselves over and over. You can see it has some pullbacks right here. This one's 54 cents, 54 cents, and 51 cents. So that's the next area I'm going to be looking for to provide support. So I'm going to use my pivot high, pivot low, pivot high, pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. Once again, pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. So right now we have two areas of potential support, this one and also this one. Let's jump down to a smaller time frame, see where price is trading at and what is holding up price right now. On the hourly chart, you can see we got price bouncing off of that 200 moving average on the hourly chart. There are a couple of things that I'm looking for on this chart before I want to go long, because it's exhibiting that behavior lower lows the last couple of days. I really need to see price bounce out of here with a series of higher highs. Now you guys know my trading plan. I usually go long on the 15-minute 8x30 for a crossover. Looking at this chart, I really don't have the best setup to trade. We're not really using that three price relationship. It's pierced below it. It's been held up by that 200 moving average. We got a series of lower lows. So I'm looking to see if price could come back down lower into this next set of three price relationships and bounce out of a series of higher highs and higher lows before considering going long. Of course, it's got to get up above that 200 moving average on the hourly chart. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Hit that notification button. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.